class, welcome to Chapter 3, Lesson 4. Today's essential question, and the essential question for this chapter is, how are multiplication and division related? Let's get started. Additive comparisons use addition or subtraction to compare. Additive referring to addition or subtraction. Multiplicative comparisons use multiplication or division to compare. Okay, so multiplying or dividing to compare. Okay, so let's look at the key words here. Additive, so addition or subtraction. How much more, how many more, how much less. Over here you have the multiplicative comparison, so multiplication and division. How many times more, how many times greater. So let's look at an example. Brian has been to a water park 4 times. Sarah has been to the water park 3 times as many as Brian. Okay, so that's our clue. At times as many. Okay, so it's multiplication. How many times has Sarah been to the water park? Okay, so we can write an equation to find the unknown. And you can use a letter or a variable to represent the unknown. So the unknown they used for S for Sarah. So the unknown represents how many times Sarah's been to the water park. 4, that's how many times Brian's been. So 4 times what equals how many times Sarah went? What did it say? It said 3 times as many. So 3 becomes one of the factors. Draw a picture to show 3 times as many as 4, or 3 groups of 4. Okay, so let's use a B for Brian. Brian went the first time. Brian went the second time. Brian went the third time. Brian went the 4th time. And then for every 1 time that Brian went, Sarah went 3 times as many. So what do we end up with? We end up with a total of 12. The picture shows a total of 12. So since 4 times 3 equals 12, S is going to equal 12. Sarah has been to the water park 12 times. All right, example 2. Jess has 18 baseball cards. She has 6 times as many baseball cards as Max. How many baseball cards does Max have? So Max is who we are looking to find out. Okay, so write an equation. Let the box represent the number of baseball cards that Max has. So this is representing Matt. Okay, now Jess has 18. We know that. So she's already at the equal sign. She has 6 times, so that's our keyword, as many baseball cards as Matt. So she has times 6 of whatever Matt has. Since the box times 6 equals 18, you know that 18 divided by 6 is, and you use your fact family knowledge. So what's the third number? 3. Draw 6 equal groups or squares. Draw a total of 18 squares. Okay, so they're saying 6 equal groups. So she has 6 times as many as Max. So we'll just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 equal groups of squares. And we want there to be a total of 18. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Okay. There are 18, there are 3 squares in each group. So Max has 3 baseball cards. All right, well, since this was all about baseball, let's draw a nice little baseball here. Ooh, maybe we'll just draw that picture. See if we can do better. All right, see you in class.